Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be giving this mid-century modern Hutch a makeover. Overall it's in okay condition, but there are a bunch of rings and scuffs that I will be covering up. Consider subscribing if you're new and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. My goal in the near future is to start uploading 2 days a week. I was so in love with the wood grain and the rich stain on these doors that I decided to create my whole plan for this piece around keeping these doors untouched. Off camera, I prepped this piece by cleaning it with Dawn dish soap, scuff sanding, and taping off the backboard. My original plan was to keep the backboard natural, the color it is right now, but you'll see I changed my mind later on. I'll be using Fusion Mineral Paint again today in the color Algonquin. I think that's how you pronounce it, I might be wrong. But I thought the rich creamy color would pair beautifully with the stained doors. I'm using my Zebra Palm Pro brush, and if you haven't used this brush already, I definitely recommend it. I've used several other brushes before and nothing compares to this brush. I don't know about you guys, but I love watching other people paint. I think it's really relaxing. Painting furniture has become so therapeutic for me, and it has gotten me through some really hard times. I'm so thankful I get to do this for a living. Up 2 coats on the body, I realized that I don't like the way the contrast is between the backboard and the sides, so I decided to remove the tape and paint 2 more coats on the backboard. Shelving natural, but eventually you'll see me paint the very bottom. There were some holes that I wanted to fill in, I just didn't feel comfortable leaving them shown. was the most exciting part of this makeover for me, adding the new legs. I got these legs off of Amazon and drilled them into the base. This can often seem pretty intimidating to do, but honestly it was super quick and super easy. After adding the legs, it was time to install the doors back on. Honestly, I hate dealing with reinstalling hinges. I usually have the worst luck and the doors usually never close right. But thankfully this time was really easy and I didn't have any problems. Let's take a quick look back at what this hutch looked like before. It was outdated and needed a good makeover to fit in someone's new home. Are you ready for the reveal? Let's go! I'm hoping to sell this hutch for around $600. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button or comment below so I can get to know you better. See you next time!